Hi and welcome students, thank you for watching. In today's video, we're not doing a tutorial, rather I'm just here to say thank you. Thank you for watching the channel throughout the years, I do appreciate it. It's been really nice to chat and communicate with you guys over the live streams that I've done, as well as the comments that you leave. Unfortunately, recently I've been really busy at work, so I haven't had too much time to dedicate to this channel, but I do read your comments when they come through. They come through right to my phone, and 99% of the time it's very, very nice, and I do appreciate getting those comments, and I do read them even though I haven't responded to them lately. Back when I started this, obviously the channel was a lot smaller, so I could respond to every single comment. So if you go to any of my videos, you're going to see a lot of my responses, but recently I've just been really busy in some other places, and so I haven't had a chance to respond to those, but I still really do appreciate getting those comments. Um, I started this channel in 2017, and I just had my students as my subscribers. And as the channel continued to grow, it became even better because I was able to teach people throughout the entire globe, not just in my college that I teach at. And so it's been really a rewarding experience, and I do appreciate you not only taking the time to watch my videos, because I know a majority of the people that visit my channel visit it one time and then they watch the video. They hopefully learn what they came to learn and then they leave. But there is a portion of you that take the time to subscribe, and that number has now hit 100,000. So it's really, really been rewarding. Thank you so much for watching. It's given me more confidence in my classes with my students and more confidence on camera. Those of you that have been in my live streams, you know I don't particularly like being on camera, and I know sometimes it kind of looks like I get a little nervous because I do, and that's okay. But it's really been a rewarding experience. So thank you so much for taking the time not only to watch my videos but also to subscribe and leave very nice comments. Moving forward on this channel, I'm going to hopefully make some more videos over this summer. I'm planning on making an Office 2019 playlist with Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Outlook. So you should expect to see a lot of those. I'm going to try to do one a day. So we'll see how it goes. I know sometimes I've promised more than I can do, but that is my goal as of now. So I guess just a final note I wanted to say is thank you so much to each of my students who were my first subscribers. Thank you to all of you who ended up subscribing later, my students that I have now. It's been great to have that level of support. Thank you to my wife and to my daughter, and all the support I've had from friends and family on this throughout the years. I couldn't have done it without you guys either, helping me out along the way. So as you guys all know, I've never done a sponsored video. I've never done a paid promotion, anything like that. I really don't intend on doing that. This channel is a bit different from other channels in that sense, where I don't necessarily have like a following, if you will. It's more of just a community of learners, and so I really don't plan on doing a lot of or any sponsorships or anything like that. So it'll mostly just be tutorial videos. So if you subscribed for that, then hopefully you will enjoy the next edition of Microsoft Office, which I will be covering over the summer. So thank you all so much for joining. Thank you all for continuing to watch these videos, and have a great rest of the spring semester. And I will start posting again over the summer, and I will see you all then. So thank you so much. Have a great day.